No, I can't have those? All right, just checking. Join the family.
Okay. My next video, I'm in Salem. If you're a returning subscriber, you know that was my very first video. Very first video. Oh, look at this. Freaky. So I'm back. I'm back in Salem, and if you want to celebrate Halloween, this is the place to come. Over 100,000 tourists have embarked on this city today. And by the way, it's only 1:58. Actually 12:58 in the afternoon. Here we go, look. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and show you the town of Salem. Maybe talk to a few people. I don't know. Typically, what I do is I do the video and then I go have a burger and a beer. But fortunately, what I've done is I've had 3 beers before I started this video with no burger. So, you know, we will see. We'll see how it works out. But look, it's crazy. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, I have to say, you are freaky looking.
Thank you.
Do you think clowns are good for society?
Absolutely. Go y'all from down here.
You're not trying to scare little kids, are you?
Every day.
Alright. There we go. You have a good day.
You too.
Alright. Keep my eye on you all day. All day.
Your good eye or your worse eye?
My good eye. You're very scary.
Very sexy too.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, can I get a pic?
Yes.
Can we finally hug?
Yeah, don't pinch my butt.
I'm not gonna punch your butt.
Punch.
Pinch.
Just don't.
Who are you?
Who am I? I'm Xander Diamond.
Who?
Xander Diamond.
Xander Diamond.
Yes. You didn't recognize me?
What's the origins of you?
The origins. I'm a witch.
You are a witch.
Yes, indeed. I can prove it.
Are you
bite your neck.
Are you an evil witch or a good witch?
I'm a very, very bad witch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
How much fun do I have? Ask me.
Can I get a picture of the evil witch?
Yes, please.
All right. Don't bite me.
Don't worry. You smell bad.
All right. Well, you have a good day.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I
How do
did.
you review them? Where you been?
So, can I ask you what your drink of choice is?
Rum.
Rum.
Yes. Doesn't matter what type of rum, just rum.
All right.
How about you?
I like vodka actually,
Vodka.
or just a beer.
Well, as the Russians say, you don't drink vodka for taste, you drink it to get drunk.
Nice.
So I can't argue with that.
All right, sir.
Cheers.
Cheers. So you're not a typical witch.
I'm not a witch at all, sir, and how dare you say so?
Okay, so
I
why?
am the witch finder. This is for the guilty.
Oh,
Did myself. Works with magnets. Yankee ingenuity.
so how many witches have you found guilty this week?
Thousands. For this year?
Yeah.
Hundreds.
And what do you do with the witches?
Well, unfortunately, sir, it is not 1692. It is 2022. I am a witch finder by title. That is not a character that I portray. It is my title. I'm officially licensed by the city. But we have not executed a witch for 330 years. So I'm not allowed to perform executions here on the street, but wouldn't that be a hell of a show? Instead, I just judge them, determine whether or not they are guilty, and then take embarrassing photos with them.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. This has got death written all over it. Huh?
It's got what written all over it?
Death. Oh my Lord. Let me ask you something. Are you a zombie? What are you? Are you alive? I don't think so. Oh my God. So, can I ask you which one is the correct Mike Myers? In the middle? Can you smile? All right. Can I get it? Can I get a picture of you guys? Thank you.
Could you take a picture for us?
Are you real? Or are you a robot? Can I touch your skin? Oh yeah, you're real. You're absolutely real.
Thank you.
All right.
No, that's his one.
Whoa.
Go.
So I'm trying to figure you out. Are you a gray alien that's dead? What are you? You don't know? All right. Well, I wish you the best. All right. Oh yes. Very scary. What's your name? Do you speak? Can I get a hug? There we go. All right. You have a good day. Are you a member of Children of the Corn? I'm just curious. Where were you born? What are you about? I don't understand. Please speak up. So where are you from? Are you from Transylvania?
There you go.
Can you talk to me? You won't grant me an interview. I don't know why. I'm gonna stalk him. Okay, I have 2 questions for you.
They're easy ones.
How tall are you?
7'5".
What?
7'5".
7'5". And who slit your mouth? Who stitched you up?
Who stitched me up?
Yeah.
Of course, he's a doctor.
All right. Hey, can I get a picture of you? We're looking at my YouTube channel, Alana Beach. On YouTube.
No, I'm on YouTube.
Oh, really? Oh, what's your YouTube channel?
Tours, not my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
It's my buddy, so we do a whole thing up here.
Yeah.
I jump in and out on them.
Okay.
My cameos.
Okay.
What's your stick? Is it a film or just vacation?
No, just traveling. I have a traveling channel. Yeah. So Detours.
Detours, Derek Millen. And that's of Salem, Mass. And this is where the come from.
Awesome. Well, it'll be posted. Thank you. All right. So you guys are the Addams family?
We are the Adams.
All right.
And we've got Gomez and Murray.
Yeah. How can I? Oh wait, here we go. You guys look very happy.
Well, we love Halloween. It's spooky time of year. Crazy today. It's strange.
Very strange. All right. Thank you. Okay, let's see if we can get a picture with a pumpkin head. How are you? Can I get a picture of you? Ah. Are you considered a pumpkin head? All right. Thank you very much. Are you okay? Are you okay? You having a good day? Okay. Just want to make sure. You have anything to say? All right. Have a good day. Okay. I'm in the center of Salem. I'm just going to give you kind of a view of what's going on. See how many people are here. Literally thousands of people. Literally thousands. And I think this is probably the busiest Halloween for Salem ever. You know, I used to live right next to Salem in a town called Beverly, and you know, for 2 years it was dead because of COVID. But they've picked up and they've excelled. They've accelerated the tourists. So good for them. Good for them. Okay. I think I'm getting out of here. Getting a little bit more crazy. As you can see, Wicked Witch. She's getting crazier. But I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, ciao.